Storytelling in e-learning is an effective way to instill a sense of curiosity and hooks learners to the learning content. With the help of engaging stories, learners envision and relate to their work, opening up new ways of thinking. Let's discover some amazing tips to effectively incorporate stories in e-learning. Start off by making a statement or asking a question that will grab their attention and encourage them to continue the course. This challenges their assumptions and piques their curiosity. Create an interesting plot and develop your characters in a unique way to cultivate an emotional connection. Describe the thoughts of the characters to create emotional depth. Don't forget to integrate multimedia such as images, background music, and sound effects because multisensory e-learning stories are much more effective. Create an obstacle and offer a way to overcome it and describe how the protagonist did it. This gives your learners the information they need to resolve the issue when they encounter it in their own lives. With a little experimentation, creativity, and imagination, you can make online training more appealing for your learners and enhance learning outcomes. Impressed by the perks of using storytelling in e-learning? Then don't forget to grab our handy guide to explore more such popular instructional design strategies to level up your e-learning game.